This is where Lulu and I come. It's a bird sanctuary. It's in Kenilworth. It's always pretty desolate. Down there is where the birdies' cages are and stuff. And there's like this elevated walkway, and it goes down to like a little lake. And it's really quiet. Like I was laying over there before, like in the sun. I parked there, and I mean, there's hardly anybody over here. It's like 8 minutes from my house. So I put the leash on Lulu, but I just let her walk. And I'm taking her over here. There's a place called Echo Lake that has a dog park, and then she gets to play with all her friends. So I'll show you the lake in a second. Vamos, niña. Mira Rabito a Lulu como camina. Aquí estamos. Here's one couple walking down, the first people we've seen. I like the birds.
I'm liking the shade.
Oh, thank you, thank you. She likes them. And there's a lake down there. We're still here, there's nobody. There's a lake down there. And I've often liked to come and just lay down, like right there between the trees. And then actually there's a little kid over there fishing, I think. But hold on. Let me see. See if I can zoom it in. See, there's like a lake. Maybe it's hard to see. Actually, you can only see it here. I like this because this is so close to my house and it's real peaceful. And you can go down there and lay down in the sun because there's just woods all the way around. And then look all the way up the trail we just came, and we're going to the doggy park, which is further up here, getting some sun. Lulu is chilling like a villain. Y ahí vamos. Say hi to Grisel, Lulu. Lulu. Lulu, Boba, Boba, say hi to Grisel. Sa boba.